I want all of you forever, you and me every day.
I used to think that happiness begins with H, but now I realize that it begins with you.
When I picture my future, all I see is you. You deserve the world.
You take such good care of me.
I love holding your hand.
Even one day apart is one too many.
My feelings for you know no end.
You make me feel like a better woman.
I lose myself while I'm with you. And when I'm not with you, I want to be lost all over again.
I feel like the luckiest woman alive every time I walk into a room holding your hand.
Losing you is my biggest fear.
You're always on my mind.
The sounds of your name makes my heart skip a beat.
If I had to choose between breathing and loving you, I would say I love you with my last breath.
I don't want to grow old, but if I have to, I want to grow old with you.
I wish I was an octopus, so I could have more arms to hold you.
They say love hurts, but if it means I got to be with you, I'm willing to take that risk.
You are my north, east, south, and west. Everywhere I go, all roads lead back to you.
Some people say you only fall in love once, but I fall in love all over again every time I see you smile.
I thought true love was just a fairy tale. Then I met you.
You are my everything I want, everything I need, and everything I don't know to ask for.
Every love story is wonderful, but ours is my favourite.
The only place I want to be when I'm with you is closer.
You may just be one person, but you are the world to me.
Every romantic song, every sweet saying, every love story, they all remind me of you.
I want to be your favourite hello and your hardest goodbye. How do you always look so beautiful?
Nothing or no one will ever get in the way of. Life without you isn't really life at all.
You're the best thing that has ever happened to me.
You are always worth waking up for.
I want to be the reason you smile whenever you get a new text and look at your phone.
Every minute I spend by your side, the world seems absolutely perfect.